Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're diving into a hot 2025 showdown, YouCam Perfect versus Remini AI. Both are AI-powered photo apps, but they serve very different needs. Which one should you use for your finance brand, LinkedIn, or social content? Which of these should you use for them? Well, let's break it down. When it comes to ease of use, YouCam Perfect is super simple and has one-tap edits, while Remini AI is very easy but focused on single tasks. When we look at AI tools, YouCam Perfect has retouching, background removal, and beautify AI tools, while Remini AI has image upscaling, photo restoration, and face enhancer. When we look at the price, YouCam Perfect has a free plan plus affordable premium plans, while Remini AI has free trials but premium can get pricey. Let's look at best for, what they are best for. YouCam Perfect is best for quick selfies, professional profile pictures, and branding, while Remini AI is best for restoring old photos and enhancing blurry images. If you look at their speed, YouCam Perfect is fast and has polished edits, while Remini AI is fast but has limited options. Let's look at their output quality. YouCam Perfect gives you clean, social media ready outputs, while Remini AI gives you ultra sharp restoration results. So in conclusion, YouCam Perfect is like your all-in-one toolkit. Fast retouching, background removal, and social ready polish all in one. While Remini AI on the other hand is more specialized. It shines at restoring blurry or old images and turning them crystal clear. But it's not just built for full creative edits. So if you are posting fresh finance content, then YouCam Perfect is your go-to. But if you've got grainy, low-quality images you need to fix, Remini AI is unbeatable. Which one is your pick? Hit the like button and subscribe for more smart comparisons here at Twoguysfinance. Don't forget to drop your choice in the comment section.